Senator Oluremi Tinubu wey call one woman thug don talk say she no dey beg the woman o, say she no get time to beg this kind woman. Wetin even cause this matter? They say they go Marriott Hotel go review constitution o. Na there people gather, people queue, but e be like say then these people come late. As they reach, as Babajide Sanwo-Olu come himself come late. As he enter, na they close door say all these people wey come make una dey go in the house back. Now then these people say they no go come. You know, as Nigerians be now, all of us stubborn. And so they stay saying they no dey go anywhere. Fine, they dey there. They review the constitution, they go inside. Now some lawmakers come. Those ones have come late. Now they won't come open door for them. Now there wahala burst o. Why we will come late? Una no open door for us. People will come because say they be lawmaker. And I won't come open door for them. Now there things come scatter. They come say okay, fine. They no want make people know. They can't go carry this lawmaker, say, make they go pass back door. They won't carry them enter pim corner. Now there people say, follow these people, say, Ona no go enter because now all of us come late together. As they reach here, now so this Tinubu wife come outside, say, what did they even happen? Make them allow these people enter now. Now one woman come talk, say, she don't be here since morning. Why they go let these people enter? She no. Now the woman say, she they talk like thug. Now there this our governor been now waiting I go call him. Tell this woman say in the talk like Togo. Now I like as this woman give this woman back. Making her first watch this video.
Are you madam? Yes, madam. You don't want to talk here.
I'm not the talker, please. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon, my representative.
I said, I'm not respect.
Madam, this is
How can you call me a talk? How can you call me a
That's very wrong. Don't call her a talk anymore again. That word is very wrong. Very rude. Very rude of for you to call her a Madam, you need to apologize. Don't come back to confirm for vote. Madam, don't call her. Madam, don't follow her. Madam, don't follow her.
Ona see as this woman first her give am back. Now these kind of things that they like. Make we know they fear our politicians. Anything will come your mind. Follow this woman talk. This woman come to talk saying they talk like the person they vex. She don't stand there since morning. Maybe she don't even wake up 4 o'clock. Go stay for that place. Then person will be say because na lawmaker and a big man now. He go come 12 anytime when he like. Now come open door say make him come enter. Now waiting paying this woman. Now he make this woman talk, come shout. Now there this woman our senator come vex. So say why the woman go talk like that? Say this one. Now there wahala start. Everybody start to support this woman. Say waiting make the senator go call her thug. But not true. You where they call person talk. You don't forget say your husband and be your guy for Agbero. In fact, your husband self na Agbero. So I no more understand where they talk say a person na talk. You go na talk. You self because now you marry thug. All of na be constitution of thugs. This woman when no do you anything. If say this woman no even dress well now, she dress anywhere, enter that place. They go say maybe not the way she dress. This woman self come say she won't come review this because she self won't come hear wetin they won't talk. Now wetin make her go there? Now there matter just scatter. Everything just scatter. Now they can't go meet this woman and say, Senator, you supposed apologize to this woman. She said she no fit apologize to anybody. Say how she be like this. She don't old rich. She supposed to talk within her mind. She no dey fear anybody. But me now this woman I dey fear for. Because this one where this woman don't vex talk this kind of thing now. Make they no go kidnap her for back, do her something, no. Make she dey very conscious. Because all these politicians, we know how they do. Mago way. Later now we go here say this woman wey face her don't die. Make she dey very careful. But I like how she take face the woman. They say respect na reciprocal. I said this Tinubu wife, tell her in a nice way, say, okay, madam, I beg go because you come late, you know if you enter. You no give her any genuine reason. You say if you go there like say you won't go the phone power. Now make this woman say face you. If you no call her talk, she no go insult you. She no go. She what did they even? She can't use ma. What did be ma? Face her, talk to her anyhow. because she don already insult you. You sef, if be person mama, she don already curse you. Face her, follow her talk direct. Make we know say this battle na one on one. Nobody dey fear anybody. This Nigerian people don wake up. Nobody dey fear anybody again. We dey give you as e dey hot. Gbas. Na so we go dey give una. If una bring am, we go give una sef like that. So this woman dey advise say make she dey very conscious. So politicians for Nigeria, they dey fear them. Make she dey check her movement anywhere where she dey go. Make she dey tell person before they go just go kidnap her. One day we go hear say she don die. Then make she dey very careful. All these kind things where she sef dey go for political things. Make she dey watchful. We no know who be who. This Tinubu na she fit look quiet and all of that, but deep down you no know wetin dey her mind. Make she dey very careful on herself. Anything wey una think about this matter, make una sef comment. This Tinubu wife action, the way she do, is sweet on and I like am. Anything wey una feel, make una comment about am. I go dey here, dey listen to her views and her ideas about wetin she talk. Make una no come forget to comment, make una like, then make una share, make una also subscribe to this channel as we get better story for una. I go see una for our next story.